So today we're going to talk about changing out a broken Zerk fitting. This Zerk fitting here, when I try to grease, instead of the grease coming out the sides of the bearing body like it's supposed to, the grease just comes out around my grease gun. Something's wrong inside of this one, it's not letting the grease in. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 5/16 inch wrench. We're going to remove this one. And then I went down to the parts store, picked up a pack of 1/4 inch by 20 inch straight. ASEs, we're gonna replace this one out. And then we should be back in business. Now let's try with our grease gun and see if we get the proper results. Now we can see that grease coming up around the outsides, and we know we're good.